Everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you a tip which will help you to update multiple lines of code in a single shot. So it is particularly useful when you have predefined locations where you want to change your code. So let's have a quick look at this tip. I have already written a few lines of code wherein I am declaring 4 variables and assigning some values to them. So let's see, now I want to rename all these variables to something else. So I don't want item number. I just want to say item 1, item 2. So the one way to do is I will go ahead and remove this or rename these individual items. So that's not what we are going to do. Rather, what we are going to do is we'll click here, the location where you want to update your code, press Alt key and then select all the locations wherever you want to change. So from here, now I want to delete. So I will just press delete button and you can see that all the variables got renamed in one shot. So I hope you enjoyed this short trick and thanks for watching.